What if I told you that one simple habit is the ultimate solution to getting organized? When everything is scattered, whether it's papers, schedules, meals, it leads to stress and feeling overwhelmed. According to experts, physical clutter and mental clutter go hand in hand. So if you're in a disorganized space, it can also lead to a disorganized mind. But getting organized isn't just about tidying up your home. It's about reducing stress, reclaiming your time, and freeing up brain space. No more frantic searches or last minute meal decisions, just clarity and structure in your daily life. Okay, but why is it so hard? Simple answer. It's easier to stay stuck than to build new habits. We're essentially fighting against inertia, and as physics says, an object at rest stays at rest. The resistance to change keeps us unorganized and overwhelmed, but the good news is you don't need to make giant leaps to get organized. Doing consistent tiny tasks like cleaning for 10 minutes a day or just finishing the next small thing on your to-do list will compound over time. As James Clear says, this is getting 1% better each day. Another thing we can take away from James Clear in Atomic Habits is that it's not just about doing the tasks to organize, it's about becoming someone who is an organized person. An organized person doesn't panic at a busy evening. They plan ahead, they feel calm, and they know what's coming. It's more about identity than it is the tasks. Now, are you ready to hear the one habit that's going to make this all easier? It's meal planning. Meal planning gives you clarity over your week, reduces decision fatigue, and gives you an answer when the nightly question of what's for dinner comes around. So here's a quick 5-minute system that you can get started on today. First thing is to look at the week ahead and mark which nights you have time to cook. Next, you're going to decide what it is that you're going to cook. Are you going to have leftovers? Do you need a super quick meal? Are you going to put something in the crock pot? Or do you have time for something a little more fancy? Next, you're going to pick a few recipes and make sure that at least a few of them are family favorites. Finally, you're going to add those recipes onto a calendar on those nights that you know you have time to cook. And then you're going to create a grocery list and go shopping for the things that you need for the week. That's it. Your week is already more organized because you know what's coming and you know how you're going to feed your people. I hope you'll start meal planning today so that you can experience the relief that comes when your week is mapped out. If you'd like a tool to help you get started, I use Plan to Eat. It's an all-in-one meal planning app where you can store your recipes, create meal plans that work for you, and the program automatically makes a shopping list for you, so grocery shopping is a breeze. You can try Plan to Eat free for the first 2 weeks, so that way you can see how meal planning is going to drastically change your life and help you get more organized. If you found this helpful, please give it a like and subscribe for more videos related to meal planning and getting organized. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.